Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 2001. That's right. We broke it. So I'm saving the 2000 break for after our charity. Our charity is the 20th through 22nd. And after that's out of the way, I'll set a time a week or two after that. We'll have our 2K. You're going to want a spot in it because I lose my shirt in all my milestones. And I love doing it. Anyways, before we go any further, who's going to get those oil? So I'm doing the bin first. I'm waiting on an eBay payment for the auction. New York Rangers and James. There you go, James. Let me get the oiler. And James got 3 teams paid with darts, so how much cooler is that? Didn't really pay any money for the teams. Ends up with the oiler. Ward, Sean, Jack B, and Trin. Tex. Trin, James, Tex times 2, not 22. Apparently I can't type. That's the dart listing. Sean, Trin, Sean. Whoa, really? I got Sean in there twice? I gotta figure out who I missed it now. Must have been Tex with the 5+. Yes. Tex. Sean's not getting 2 5+ rolls. Again, brain's been off for a while. There you go, guys. Contours from last night. Do shenanigans first. A couple wheel spins, and we'll see what happens. So James, 3 darts. Oh, way over there. Oh, okay. 22 dart pulls would suck. That would. Actually, it'd take a while. Alright, James, 3 darts. Hey, the Boom Sauce, Epic Boom Sauce 6, you're not eligible because you need to have a number already. Because that bonus is no longer around. So draw again for you, single 3. Oh, I think you need a 3 actually. But I think you need a double 3. Well, you're halfway there. I'm not really sure. Double 2. Maybe you just needed a single, I'm not sure. And a single bull. So there you go, James. 3 darts for you. And Tex is getting 6 darts. Nice to see Tex around. Triple 2. Double 19. Single 4. Hey, Sammy. How's it going? Triple 4. Triple 2 wild. And double 4. No bonuses, no prizes. It's kind of a shame. I have some really cool new dart prizes and 5+ prizes. Well, we could do a 5+ prize here maybe. Sean gets a wheel spin. Is Sean in the room? I don't think he's probably lurking. Nashville for Sean is a dart. There's a whole nice Boom Sauce B. All kinds of nice stuff, but well. Will you be my friend? And a single bull. B-E and single bull. Won't you be my neighbor? Alright, it's Trin. You're up. New Jersey. Autograph for Trin. Let's see what I got here. I don't think I have any knucks, but you know, I'd pull that out for you first chance. I'm checking. The best I can do right now is a Calgary. Hard autograph from Contenders, Reto Berra. So sorry, I didn't have any Nux autos in stock. Cool. And checks, you're up. And Ottawa, 2 darts. Yeah, I like most goalies myself, Jack. And certain ones that I don't really care for that much, but single 11, single 2. And Jack's up. Just got a sweet dual Philly for Jack. Just got a sweet dual goalie jersey in the hit draft. It was pretty awesome. Dart for Jack. With that nice Johnny Bauer, Terry Sawchuk dual mem. Single 9, Jack. Alright, so we're on 4s for this break. If you didn't notice, nobody won any of the new prizes, right? That's alright. And here we go. 2K1. Whoa. Shooting blanks here. There we go. Four packs. Can we get something cool? That is the question. We got autograph for the San Jose Sharks and Sean out of $4.99. Dylan DeMilo getting Sean a double 4 for his gigantic dart pile. And Zach Parise blue contours for Tex. Minnesota Wild. I have one of those fan cards that pop up all the time. Nope. Cool though. Show me some glove. Although they're jersey cards, which is, or patches, and no glove pieces. Going to Trin. Corey Crawford. Oops. As I drop a San Jose Shark card out there. No Trin. Corey Crawford is going to get you a single 4 for the mem. And an Owen Nolan out of $4.99 blue. Owen Nolan for the Sharks and Sean. Yeah, showing you some glove there. Die cuts. Out of $1.99 for the Ottawa Senators in Trin. Matt Pumple. Big old jersey swatch and auto. Hard autograph, actually. Trin, you're on fire. Hey, me. Yeah. And Jack B. Eric Stahl. Out of 99, so that's going to get you a single 4, Jack. Eric Stahl, contours red. Last pack mojo. It's another thick one. This one might be the fan of the game. Oh. Wow. Trin wins. Trin wins. Matt Pumple, number 2. Club Crest, jersey card. It's like if there was an Ottawa fan on the planet, that you'd probably enjoy this box. Little corner damage up here. And finishing off, Trin wins for Chicago out of $4.99 Glenn Hall, contours blue. Wow, they really spread the team love around in that box, didn't they? Alright guys, thanks for your support on that one, and we'll catch you all on the next break coming up shortly.